welcome to the second edition of Rabies Awareness Summit.
Awareness regarding ARS is still very low. Even the medical doctors are not aware of the importance of the ARS that we are facing in the program. Although we have shared the guidelines, but we need to focus on this part, that awareness among the medical community as well as among the general public needs to be enhanced if we want to achieve our desired target. Apart from this, from the programmatic side, we have constituted a state zoonotic committee as well as district zoonotic committee, keeping in mind only for rabies.
With support from World Health Organization, APCRI has conducted two national surveys covering the prevalence of animal bites and the causes of rabies cases being non-reported, and also how far the disease occurs in different age groups. Those two surveys with support from WHO has been carried out by APCRI and the report has been given to Government of India. Government of India has announced that rabies is now going to be a notifiable disease in our country.
Talking about the RIG, access is poor in our country, and this is primarily because of the low availability of RIG. Across the country, only 40% of the anti-rabies clinics have the availability of RIG. And that is also primarily because in many states, RIG is not identified as essential medicine.
As being the industry, you will have to engage in research, because two things, the cost has to come down. One is the cost of vaccine, but our main constraint is manpower. How do I get manpower? Under the concept of One Health, this can be taken care of. To do that, we have to attack the disease at the animal stage. Without that, it will be very difficult.
Yes, there are hurdles everywhere, but I will call it a shame that people continue to die in a large number in India. We have about 16% of population. We account for 40% or 35% of cases. Why wait till 2030? Why not eliminate it today or tomorrow?
So it's not going to be easy, but anyway, we have to move in that direction of working towards zero human rabies. It's not animal rabies. We cannot make this country dog rabies free. No, it is first step is we are in the stage of control only. The next part is the making this country dog rabies. That it takes some more time.
But definitely we need a proper system where to vaccinate, because dogs have 2 or 3 sites where we can vaccinate: pre-popliteal, gluteal, and then in the neck, in the pinna. So that's what I told today the Veterinary University Gadwasu. I had a lecture that you find out which is the suitable place for intradermal vaccination of the dogs.
You should have some separate segregated areas where you feed these dogs. So the dogs collect at that point, you feed them. Along with that, please fulfill the responsibility of getting the dog vaccinated and neutered. So once you neuter them, their tendency of biting goes down. So